Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see an error message in the Barclays app, it usually means a request code could not be completed. First, read the message carefully and note what it says. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing it completely. Then, reopen it, try the action again. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if possible. If not, just make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi. Restart your phone to clear temporary system issues. Make sure both your phone software and the Barclays app is fully updated. Go to the App Store, search for Barclays app, and then make sure to update your app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes to update it. If the same error messages keeps appearing, contact Barclays support and provide the exact wording of the message for faster help, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.